Hello and welcome to our classroom management course. This is a navigation guide to help you navigate through the course. Let's go ahead and get started. So when you log into Google Classroom, you end up on the stream page. The stream page is where we will post announcements. You can comment back to the announcements. The master and mentor teachers might ask you questions, and you are allowed to comment back. After that, you want to click onto classwork. And in classwork, you will see this page, the all topics page, where you can go ahead and click through the different weeks to see the different weeks instruction, the things that you need to do for the different weeks. Let's go ahead and go back to the all topics page and see what we can find. We have a resource tab for you. This resource tab is something that you can use to help you navigate through the course. We have a course syllabus. We have using Google Classroom, videos, and instructional guides if you're struggling on how to use Google Classroom. Using Flipgrid, if you're struggling on how to use Flipgrid, here are some tools to help you, and the observation rubric, which you'll find more about throughout the course. After that, you have the different weeks of the course. We have a week 0. This week 0 is where you're going to be creating a classroom management plan. And in that classroom management plan, you need to have that completed before school starts so that you can start and implement that on the very first day of school. Your mentor or master teacher can help you develop your classroom management plan before school starts. After that, you'll have the different weeks, week 1, week 2, and so on. And each week you'll have a pre-assessment and a post-assessment, a slideshow that gives you the tasks that you need to do, readings, the readings that you'll need to complete for the week, a discussion, and a reflection assignment. These are the main things that you'll need to do throughout the weeks of the course. Let's go ahead and click on the pre-assessment. Once you click on the pre-assessment, it'll bring you to a Google form that you will complete before you review the course. After that, you can go back here, and I'm going to click view assignment and go to instructions, and you will have a little turn in button up here. I don't have it because I'm an instructor, but you have a turn in button. Once you complete that, make sure you push the turn in button so that we know that you are completed with your assignments and we can give you your grade for that. Some of the things in this course are participation based, and some of the things that in this course are for points. The pre-assessment and post-assessment, if you do it and complete it and push turn in, you get your points for that. Let's go ahead, navigate back to our stream. You can also see your grades, and it'll post the class average and your it'll post your class average and your grades for the course. It won't show the other students in the course, but I'm an instructor, so you can see it in this video of the different people, but you will see your own scores based on the grade that you get. Let's go ahead and navigate back to the stream. I hope you enjoyed this quick navigation guide to how to use Google Classroom. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to your instructor and they will be happy to help you navigate through Google Classroom. Thank you.